Hi students, in our previous class we discussed about electric current and current density. Regarding that we will do some problems. See here, a total of 6 into 10 power 16 electrons pass through any cross section of a conducting wire per second. Find the current. A total of number of electrons is equals to 6 into 10 power 16. Here number of electrons are given. How many, what is the time per second? Means t is equals to 1 second. Find the current. Find the current. This is the given data. We know that the charge of an electron. What is the charge of an electron? Which is denoted by Q or small e. Its value is 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. This is charge of an electron. So, what is the current? What is the basic formula for current? I is equals to Q by T. This is the basic formula. Here Q means quantization of charge. We already discussed about this. What is the quantization of charge? Q is equals to Ne. So we know that N means number of electrons already given. 6 into 10 power 16 electrons. E means charge of an electron. 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 per second. T means 1 second. 16 sixes are 9.6 into 10 power minus 19 plus 16 minus 3. This is the answer. Write down.
Go.
Okay, and the sum. In a hydrogen atom, electron moves in a orbit of radius 5 into 10 power minus 11 meter with a speed of 2.2 into 10 power 6 meter per second. Calculate current. Write down the given data. In a hydrogen atom, electron moves in a orbit of radius r 5 into 10 power minus 11 meter with a speed of means velocity 2.2 into 10 power 6 meter per second. In physics problems, first we have to check whether the units are SI or CGS. All are SI units, so no problem. Calculate current. What is the formula for electric current? I is equals to Q by T. Here in terms of radius and velocity. In terms of
Go.
I equals to Q by T, 1 by time period means frequency. So N into Q. Here Q means charge of an electron. What is that value? Q or E. 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. We already discussed this formula. What is the frequency? What is the frequency? Time period T is equals to 2 pi by omega. 2 pi by, we know the relation between linear velocity and angular velocity. What is the relation between linear velocity and angular velocity? V is equals to R omega. So omega is equals to V by R. So omega is equals to V by R. This is the formula for time period. So time period T is equals to 1 by N. So finally frequency N is equals to V by 2 pi R. So frequency N is equals to V by 2 pi r into q. Okay, did you understand? Yeah, that's it. Substituting these values, v 2.2 into 10 power 6, charge of an electron 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 divided by 2 into pi 3.14 into radius 5 into 10 power minus 11. So on calculating, its value is 1.1 into 10 power minus 3 ampere, which is equals to 1.1 milliampere. Write down. Okay, next problem. The current through a wire depends on time, as I is equals to I naught plus alpha t, where I naught is equal to 10 ampere and alpha equals to 4 ampere per second. Find the charge that crosses through a section of the wire in 10 seconds. Write down the given data. Given I is equal to I naught plus alpha t. I naught is equal to 10 ampere. Alpha equal to 4 ampere per second. The charge that crosses through a section of the wire in 10 seconds. Time t is equal to 10 seconds. The charge. Find out the charge. We know the formula. Q is equal to integral of I dt. Q is equals to integral of I dt. What is the value for I? Which is equal to integral of I naught plus alpha t into dt. So Q is equals to integral of I dt.
Go.
So integral of I naught plus alpha t into dt. Here what is the formula? Between the limits t1 to t2. So initial time t1 is equals to 0 second. What is that t2? 10 seconds. So integral of 0 to 10 I naught plus alpha t into dt. So split this, which is equals to integral of 0 to 10 I naught into dt plus integral of 0 to 10 alpha t into dt. Next, which is equals to integral of 0 to 10 I naught. What is the value for I naught? 10. So here I naught constant. So I naught value, I naught constant 10, integral of dt plus alpha constant, whose value is 4, integral of 0 to 10 t dt. T dt. So which is equals to 10. Integral of dt means t. Between the limits 0 to 10. 4 into integral of t dt means t square by 2. Between the limits 0 to 10. So substituting upper limit minus lower limit. So 10 into, what is the value for upper limit? 10 minus, what is the value for lower limit? 0 plus 4 into, here also same, what is the upper limit? T square means 10 square. 10 square means 100 by 2 minus lower limit 0 square by 2 means 0. So which is equals to 10 tens are 100 minus 100 by 2 means 50. 54s are plus which is equals to 300 ampere. Write down. Next problem. In a hydrogen atom, an electron is revolving with an angular frequency 6.28 radian per second around the nucleus. Then the current is, what is the given data? Angular frequency omega 6.28 radian per second. What is the current? What is the basic formula for current? I is equal to Q by T. Q means charge of an electron. Its value is 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. Here time period. What is the formula for time period? What is the formula for time period? T is equals to 2 pi by omega. Substituting this value. So Q 1 by T means omega by 2 pi. So what is the value? 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. Omega means 6.28. 2 into pi 3.14. 3.14 into 2 means 6.28. So answer is 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 ampere. Write down.